Delhi-based Indian artist Rajesh Bhadaria drives you deep into the ocean of mysticism with the magic of colors on black canvases. An engineer by profession, Rajesh creates a gem of artworks that takes you through the rough lines of mythology to the world of spiritualism through his paintings. Reverberating his thought processes in the nature's abode with inspiration from Indian scriptures, he has come up with a magical collection, Alchemy of Colors.
So basically that I play with the colors. I can really make anything whatever is visible. But then somehow that I had been doing in my very early days, like whatever I was seeing, I was trying to draw it on the paper and then paint it, and that was really giving me happiness. And the people who were around me right from my childhood, they have been appreciating me, and that was really something which really made me very happy. In my subconscious, it was always there that I will keep on doing art, but I never knew that I would be holding the exhibitions.
Rajesh Bhadaria's latest exhibition at New Delhi's Indian Heritage Centre is a wonderland of abstract paintings for art lovers and art collectors. Use of bold and vivid colors with their abstract religious symbols like the Shri Yantra or David Star makes his paintings unique. With 22 new paintings, Bhadaria's latest show has received an overwhelming response at the most prestigious art gallery in the Indian capital.
In all the religions, there are specific symbols they use. Those are called auspicious symbols, and those symbols I use in my paintings. My paintings are not only the play of colors, but those are infused with those ancient symbols. And whenever there was a sunset, I used to watch it because it really, the change of colors and the clouds, they used to form the patterns of rivers and the mountains. And whenever there was some formation, then you can have your imagination take to that thing. Those were all unique. So it all went into my mind. And then when I started painting, so I started using those colors.
Rajesh Bhadaria, a man with a golden brush, has so far participated in 14 solo and several more group exhibitions throughout the world. His works have been loved and appreciated in various countries such as the United States, France, and Spain. Despite having displayed and traveled to different parts of the world, Rajesh Bhadaria has kept his paintings firmly rooted in India and influenced by its vast cultural diversity. He has displayed the drive and persistence to convince his fans that a lot more magic of mystic art will be seen in near future here in India and abroad also.